Java, a versatile and platform-independent programming language, has been a cornerstone in software development since its inception in 1995. Known for its write once, run anywhere capability, Java has established itself as a go-to language for building robust, secure, and scalable applications across industries. Java's popularity stems from its object-oriented nature, extensive library support, and ability to handle complex, large-scale projects. In the field of artificial intelligence (AI), Java stands out due to its compatibility with various AI frameworks, seamless integration with other technologies, and widespread community support. While languages like Python are often preferred for AI due to their simplicity, Java remains a strong contender, especially for enterprise-grade AI applications requiring high performance, security, and scalability. Java finds numerous applications in the domain of AI. Its versatility enables developers to build a wide range of AI-driven solutions, including natural language processing, machine learning, deep learning, robotics, game AI, and data mining. Java is used to create chatbots, virtual assistants, and text analysis tools. The language powers predictive analytics, recommendation systems, and classification models in enterprise solutions. Java facilitates the development of neural networks for image recognition, speech processing, and autonomous systems. It is used for programming robots and controlling automated systems in industries. In gaming applications, it powers intelligent game characters and dynamic decision-making. Java-based tools process and analyze massive datasets to uncover patterns and insights. Java offers a plethora of libraries and frameworks that simplify AI development. Deep Learning 4J is a powerful deep learning framework for Java that supports distributed computing and integration with Hadoop and Spark. It is ideal for building neural networks and is particularly suited for enterprise-grade AI applications. Weka is a comprehensive suite for machine learning that provides tools for data preprocessing, classification, clustering, and visualization, making it an excellent choice for academic and research purposes. JavaML is a lightweight library offering a range of machine learning algorithms, and its simplicity and modularity make it a favorite for developers who need basic ML functionalities. NCOG is a Java-based framework for building neural networks and other machine learning models, supporting a wide array of algorithms, including genetic programming and support vector machines. Apache Mahout is primarily designed for large-scale machine learning and integrates seamlessly with big data technologies like Hadoop. It excels in creating scalable recommendation systems and clustering models. Juni is used for creating neural networks and provides a graphical interface to design, train, and test models. Many banks and financial institutions leverage Java-based AI systems to detect fraudulent activities in real time. E-commerce platforms use Java to build AI systems that suggest products based on user preferences and past behavior. Java has been used in developing AI modules for sensor integration and decision-making in autonomous cars. AI applications in Java assist in predicting diseases and analyzing medical images. AI-driven Java projects include intelligent opponents and procedurally generated content in games. Java's multithreading and memory management capabilities make it ideal for large-scale AI systems. Java's cross-platform compatibility ensures the developed AI solutions can run on any device or server. Java is widely used in enterprises, making it easier to integrate AI solutions with existing Java-based systems. Java has a vast developer community, providing extensive resources, tutorials, and forums. With built-in security features, Java is well-suited for AI applications in sensitive fields like finance and healthcare. However, compared to Python, Java requires more effort to master due to its verbosity and complex syntax. While Java has general AI libraries, it lacks the breadth of specialized libraries available in Python. Java's higher memory consumption and garbage collection can impact performance in resource-constrained environments. The AI community often gravitates towards Python, which may limit collaboration opportunities for Java developers. Java continues to be a relevant and powerful language in AI development, especially for enterprise applications that demand reliability, scalability, and security. With its robust libraries, frameworks, and seamless integration capabilities, Java remains a strong choice for developers aiming to create cutting-edge AI solutions. While it faces competition from Python, Java's versatility ensures its enduring presence in the rapidly evolving AI landscape.